Let's explore 3 essential cell organelles and understand their critical functions in cellular life. Inside every cell, specialized structures called organelles work together to keep the cell alive and functioning. Let's start with vacuoles, the storage compartments of cells. Vacuoles are large membrane-bound sacs that are filled with fluid and various substances. In plant cells, vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of the cell volume, while animal cells have smaller vacuoles. Here's a plant cell showing the large central vacuole that takes up most of the cell's interior space. Vacuoles perform several critical functions in cells. Vacuoles store water, nutrients, waste products, and pigments that give flowers and fruits their colors. In plant cells, vacuoles maintain turgor pressure, which keeps plants rigid and upright. The water-filled vacuole pushes outward against the cell wall, creating pressure that supports the plant structure. As vacuoles absorb water and expand, they help plant cells grow larger without using much energy. Some vacuoles store toxic compounds that protect plants from being eaten by animals. Now let's explore lysosomes, the recycling centers of the cell. Lysosomes are small membrane-bound organelles packed with powerful digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are found primarily in animal cells, though plant cells have similar structures called lytic vacuoles. Here's a lysosome with its membrane protecting the cell from the powerful digestive enzymes inside. Lysosomes perform crucial breakdown and recycling functions. Lysosomes break down worn-out organelles and damaged cellular components for recycling. They digest nutrients and materials that the cell takes in from outside. When a damaged organelle fuses with a lysosome, enzymes break it down into simple molecules that can be reused. Lysosomes help defend the cell by destroying invading bacteria and viruses. During development, lysosomes help destroy cells that are no longer needed, like the webbing between fingers and embryos. Finally, let's examine centrosomes, the organizational centers for cell division. Centrosomes are structures found near the nucleus in animal cells. Each centrosome contains 2 cylindrical structures called centrioles, arranged perpendicular to each other. The 2 centrioles in a centrosome are positioned at right angles to each other, forming a distinctive structure. Centrosomes play a vital role in cell division. Centrosomes serve as the main organizing center for microtubules, the cell's structural framework. During cell division, centrosomes move to opposite ends of the cell and form spindle fibers. Spindle fibers extend from each centrosome to the chromosomes, pulling them apart during cell division. The spindle fibers pull chromosomes to opposite ends of the cell, ensuring each new cell gets an equal set. Without centrosomes, cells cannot divide properly, which is why they're essential for growth and repair. Let's review the 3 organelles and their main functions. These 3 organelles each play distinct but equally important roles in cell survival and reproduction. Vacuoles store materials and provide structural support through turgor pressure. Lysosomes break down and recycle cellular materials, keeping the cell clean and efficient. Centrosomes organize the cell structure and ensure proper chromosome distribution during cell division. Working together, these organelles help maintain cellular health, enabling cells to grow, divide, and respond to their environment.